Hello, good evening everybody. This side Khushi from Lexus and Company. In this video, we will discuss a like very new, which is hot topic. You can say that what is moonlighting. Moonlighting is a influencing किस तरीके से क्या influence कर रहा है ये Indian corporate culture को. So we will look on that. Basically, moonlighting जो has been a hot topic in the Indian job sector, and some major Indian IT and tech firm have been cracking the whip on this employee for the moonlighting. So the issue moonlighting has emerged as a big talking point after the Wipro chairman ऋषभ, अगर आपको पता हो तो ऋषभ जो है उन्होंने क्या कहते हैं काफ़ी लोगों को एक साथ जॉब से हटाया था because of the moonlighting. So moonlighting refers to employees taking up side gigs to the work on more than one job at a time. यानी कि एक टाइम पे अगर आपकी एक से ज़्यादा जॉब है, so this is called moonlighting. So basically moonlighting क्यों हार्म करती है हमारी कंपनीज को, खास करके ये IT कंपनीज में ज़्यादा होता है. क्यों होता है ये सब? क्योंकि मूनलाइटिंग क्या करती है कि जब आप एक से ज़्यादा काम करेंगे तो आपका फोकस अपने काम पर ज़्यादा नहीं रहेगा, जिसकी वजह से आप काम अच्छे से नहीं कर पाते. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द मूनलाइटिंग. So recently it making a headline for the wrong reason after several blackish for several IT firm, which is company have always opposed this practice, saying the employee doing multiple jobs can impact their productivity. An employee usually work on the 8 to 9 hour is in a primary job while he takes another 4 to 5 year moonlighting, यानी कि जो इसमें लगाता है टाइम. ठीक है. सो व्हाट डज द IT एम्प्लॉय यूनियन से, इसमें कह सकते हैं कि इसमें यूनियन क्या कहती है, जो पुणे बेस्ड यूनियन विच इज़ लाइक इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेनेट जो है हैज़ आर्ग्यूड दैट द मूनलाइटिंग इज नॉट फीजेबल फॉर अ नंबर ऑफ रीजन. Aadhaar card and PAN card are now mandatory for joining the company. The government has also linked the Aadhaar to employees' provident fund account. Each employee has a unique universal account number for the provident fund. So this is all about it. क्या ये इंडिया में लीगल है? ये भी तो हमें देखना पड़ेगा क्या ये चीज़ें इंडिया में लीगल है. Indian laws do not define the moonlighting. According to media report, the laws stated below regulated dual or double employment to certain extent. The Factories Act 1948 restrict an employer from requiring or allowing an adult worker to work in a factory on a day on which they have already been working in another factory. ठीक है. So basically this is all about the moonlighting. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video we will discuss a new topic.